In the rhythm of these gimmicks, it beats harder than Dr. Dre using his stethoscope on my heart. From this world I feel a part, I play a part to ever who seen the dark, to ever who held on, to ever who made a mark. Send this need to stop, put a pause on the clock. My wrist say that today time is on my side, and I hope I can ride. I mean, I do want the pussy, money, and fame, but I feel there is more I can obtain. Is there more to my name? I plan to make a wish that dish a bowl full of my aspirations to be granted. I'm looking above heaven's heaven, like why can't it be? My pocket stood empty, so I threw myself in a well of wishing with uncertainty.
These are tales from a wishing well, a wishing well, a wishing well. A coin drop from the hopeless palm.
Hoping to reveal a better life and for the dreams to come real. Maybe an ocean will wash away the past, pressuring presence to the future at last. I couldn't do well, but if my words help, then I wish you well.
Young and out here trying to get a bite to eat. He tired of being broke, so he bite to eat. He's so deceitful, well-mannered when he greet you, then steal everything you got. Nice to meet you, his family on his head, cause he ain't making bread. So he turned to the wishing well instead. From there, all his dreams was apprehended and touched the souls of many people who couldn't stand him. He got his heart's desires, it was like voodoo. The wishing well was a curse, who knew? Now we back to gangbanging, Sue-woo. He lost a lot of friends and family cause they say he changed. Now he just robbed and killed for what you took in vain. He couldn't feel his pain, so it left a stain. These are just his tales from the wishing well. If my words help, then I wish you well.
These are tales from a wishing well, a wishing well, a wishing well. A coin drop from the hopeless palms.
Hoping to reveal a better life and for the dream to come real. Maybe an ocean will wash away the past, pressuring presence to the future at last. I couldn't do well, but if my words help, then I wish you well.
She said forget you, I hate you, go to hell. Then she threw her last money and the wishing well, wishing for bad dreams. That's all it seems like. She said, man, I hate being broke, it don't seem right. I told her forget the haters and get to this paper. Get her moms out the hood and she'll be all good. But I swear I felt her pain. I was always looking out the window like money was supposed to fall with the rain. Now I thank God for my success, every day I feel blessed. Shout out to Detroit, you know I got you when I get up there. Thanks to everyone who doubted me. You made it easier for me to see what I gotta do. I ain't a follower, I'll never be you. Tryna fit into any crew, but things you'll never do. Be yourself, that's when you're the coolest. El Ray, the young hip-hop schoolist. Let's go.
These are tales from a wishing well, a wishing well, a wishing well. A coin drop from the hopeless palms.
Hoping to reveal a better life and for the dreams to come real. Maybe an ocean will wash away the past, pressuring presence to the future at last. I couldn't do well, but if my words help, then I wish you well.